I am not ready to go home. I don't want to go home.
Dear Elder Tidwell, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Ghana-Accra West Mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 24 months. You should report to the Ghana Missionary Training Center on Thursday, October 19th. You will prepare to teach the gospel in the English language.
Jima, how are you feeling?
I'm hyped.
Go as we roll down this unfamiliar road, and although this wave is stringing us along.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Elder Tidwell and Alex today. Today we're cross-sliding, trying to find some people. Peterson's in the back.
Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble it might drag you down. You get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
Couldn't be better than this. Bawjiase.
They fill you with fear. The trouble it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone.
Elder Tidwell is the best.
This place your home. When life leaves you high and dry, I'll be at your door tonight if you need help, if you need help. I'll shut down the city lights, I'll lie, cheat, I'll beg and bribe to make you well, to make you well. Give me reasons to believe that you would do the same for me, and I will do it for you. Baby, I'm not moving on. I'll love you long after you're gone. For you, you will never sleep alone. I'll love you long after you go, and long after you're gone, gone, gone. When you fall like a statue, I'm gonna be there to catch you, put you on your feet, you on your feet. And if your well is empty, not a thing will prevent me. Tell me what you know I will do it for you, for you. Baby, I'm not moving on. I'll love you long after you're gone. For you, you will never sleep alone. I'll love you long after you're gone, and long after you're gone, gone, gone. You're my backbone, you're my cornerstone, you're my crutch when my legs stop moving. You're my head start, you're my rugged heart, you're the pulse that I've always needed. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, my heart never stops beating. For you, baby, I'm not moving on. I love you long after you're gone. For you, you will never sleep alone. I love you long after you go. For you, baby, I'm not moving on. I love you long after you're gone. For you, you will never sleep alone. I love you long, long after you go. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, baby, don't stop beating. Like a drum, my heart never stops beating for you. And long after you're gone, 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 I'll love you long after you're gone,
this is fake.
gone.
This is not real.
Next day, Pete.
It's real. I'm incredibly tired. Really tired right now. I'm tired. I'm super tired. I'm super, super tired of sitting. I'm so tired right now.
Where we at, dude? Oh, we're at the UK, Charlie. We're in UK. UK, Charlie.
There's no way to say this song's about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shades. Don't let them see me down. You have taken over my days, so tonight I'm going out. Yet I'm feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I only spoiled the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind. La-da-dee-la-da-do-da-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee-la-da-do, there's only me, there's only you. La-da-dee-la-da-do-da-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee-la-da-do, when you were gone, I think of you. All these places packed with people, but your face is all I see. And the music's way too loud. Where did my sister go? So many pretty girls around, they're just dressing to impress. But the thought of you alone has got me spinning. I don't know what to say next. Feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste and I only spoiled the party anyway. Cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind. La-da-dee-la-da-da-do-da-da-da-me, la